Hi everyone, a coin and a pentagonal spinner with sectors 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 are tossed and spun respectively. We have to draw a grid and then answer these questions. So let's first draw the grid. Basically, you can draw it this way, a coin. So for the coin, you either have heads or tails. And then for the spinner, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So you're drawing a grid, you just kind of go through here and draw like that. All right, so how many outcomes possible? And if you count them all up, you just count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and do it again. 2, 3, 4, 5. So that means there's a total of 10 outcomes possible. Okay, we're going to use our grid to find some answers here for we'll just call it I, double I, and stuff like that. So for I, a tail and a 3. So it has to be together. So here's your tail and your 3. So that's just going to be 1 out of 10. All right. A head and an even number. So this is going to be your double I. So a head is going to be an even number. Let's do even and a head. So let's do that in red as well. So here's 1, 2. That's a head and an even number. So that's 2/10. And you can reduce it if you want. Doesn't really matter, but you can. And then for 3, an odd number. So for odd numbers, we have, let's see, I'm going to try to change the color here. Odd numbers, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you just count that, so that'd be 6 out of 10. And finally, let's see, let's go back to blue. For IV, or part 4, a head or a tail. So a head or a tail, we look at that, and that's going to be where you add it up. So a head or a tail, or a head or a 5. So here's your 5, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 heads or a 5. So a 5 is just going to be 1. So that's going to equal 6/10 as well. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.